Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to log in to SiriusXM or sign up for an account on SiriusXM. So that's a very simple process, and all you have to do is simply open a browser on your computer or on your phone. Then simply search for SiriusXM and then open the first link right over here. And after that, just simply click on the person icon right over here. And then if you already have an account, just simply enter your username over here, then enter your password. Now, I will assume you don't have a SiriusXM account yet, so in that case, all you do is click on Register right over here, and then it should open the new page where you can create your account. So simply enter all the details, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and zip code. Now, after entering all the details, just simply click on Continue. And now after that, just simply enter your radio ID or enter the account number right here. Then click on Continue. And then you can complete the process. Then in the next page, you will see a list of available plans. You need to choose whether you want a streaming-only plan or a plan that includes listening in your car. So select a plan that fits your needs, enter the payment information, finalize the registration, and you're good to go. So that's it. Now you are ready to stream all your favorite music and talk radio on SiriusXM. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.